Hello viewers and subscribers. In this video, I'm going to be covering how to use vidIQ in order to get some keyword phrases, long tail keywords or tags to use to help rank you for your videos in YouTube. In this video, I'm going to go over how to search for keywords that your competition is using in order to get more um, views on your YouTube video. So in this example, I'm going to be using the keyword acrylic painting for beginners. And when I put in that search term, I'm using Google Chrome and I'm using vidIQ in order to get the information that I need. So the first video on this page is in a #1 position on YouTube. So I'm just going to explore. So I'm going to click on the title. And basically what vidIQ does is it'll pull the information from that particular video, including the tags. And so down here, it has all the video tags. I probably wouldn't use all of them because it's according to the video that you're creating. But there are some good keywords down here. They're long tail keywords. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to pause that video. The person, because they're #1, I wanted to check that. And the SEO score that vidIQ gave this video is 91.6, which is pretty high because they rate from up to 100. 100 is the perfect score. So this is a good video to get some keywords from. So down in here, it has the video tag. Acrylic painting techniques is number 3. Acrylic painting for beginners is #1. Acrylic painting tips for beginners has a #3 rating. Acrylic painting tips is #4. And acrylic painting is #7. So basically what I would do is I would copy these keywords. Acrylic painting step by step. It didn't have a rating, but it's probably helps with the SEO for the video. So what I would do is go over here and right up here is a little clip. If you click on it, it'll copy the keywords to your clipboard. And basically, what I usually do is I open up a notepad and then I paste the keywords in. And I take out the keywords that don't have anything to do with my particular video. So I would take out some of these. And then I would leave the ones in that has something to do with your video. And the next step that I would do is I would make a description. And in my description, I would include the keywords or the tags that I got from vidIQ. That way, you would get some more. As far as adding them to the description, it'll help you with your SEO as well. And Um, Also, I would put least acrylic painting tips for beginners. I would put that in the title, and I would pick another keyword phrase from these tags. Um, so acrylic painting tips for beginners. Um, I would pull out this one. So I would make it acrylic painting for beginners, or also a hyphen acrylic painting tips for beginners, or I would pull another keyword phrase out. Um, I'm going to look at the tags again. So the acrylic painting tips for beginners, it had a #1 rating. And let's see, I would probably take out the acrylic painting techniques. So that'll be like the 2 keyword phrases that I would use in the title. And then I would do the description, and I would include all the these tags that I took from vidIQ, and I would put it in the description. Also, when you're making your video, if you mention those words when you're doing your video, that would be picked up by YouTube as well. So this is just a little short video on how you can use vidIQ to help you getting your keyword phrases for your title, um, for your description, for your videos, in order to be able to get more views on YouTube.